What's going on, everybody? Rico Rides here with another motovlog, but today is gonna be a little bit different. I'm meeting up with about 4 or 5 other guys, and we're all gonna go riding and doing some hooligan stuff. So hopefully we're gonna have a good time. I'm also gonna be like a couple minutes late because that's what motovloggers do, right? It's a pupper. Hey, puppy. Puppy. What kind of dog is that? Yeah, it's so cute. It looks like a wolf. Or a fox. By the way, I don't know if y'all can hear it. It'll probably be different than normal because it is so freaking windy right now. And it'll probably have a lot more wind sound in the video than normal, which I apologize for. But hopefully most of the day will just be editing footage and just doing stupid stuff. Probably won't be talking that much. That'd be fun to look at though. I'll make it interesting. He's a puppy. That's another typical characteristic of motovloggers everywhere. Love dogs. So, I don't know if y'all follow college football. Did I say college? I don't know if y'all follow. So I don't know if y'all follow Clemson football or college football. But tomorrow is the first game for our Clemson Tigers playing Auburn. So that'd be a good game to watch.
Dude, I can hear you coming from a mile away. That sounds so good.
Oh yeah. Squad! So we have like half the squad with us today. So we got Drake up there on a Z1000. We got my buddy Lloyd over here on a FZ07. And behind us, I think it's Bob. No joke, I think it's Bob on a CBR 500R. And me on old Midnight 250. Ninja 250R. This guy's straight hooligan, bro. GoPro on my helmet makes it really hard because this wind is like flying at my face and just like dragging my head over here. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. Oh god, I got a butt cramp. I got a butt cramp. I got a butt cramp. It hurts. Oh god, it hurts. I gotta stretch it. Ow. Oh god. Look at the many goats. I want one. Did it break?
Man, I fixed the bike with duct tape and a twig off the side of the road before.
Really?
You got me home. Nobody was laughing when I got home with it though. I need a wrench though.
Does this happen like all the time or?
No. First time.
Yeah. So we had to take a little bit of like a detour because Bob's clutch like mechanism to change gears like just dropped out of his bike. So we ended up having to stop at a little hardware store, and they were kind enough to let us use their tools, and we fixed his clutch mechanism. I don't know the correct term for it, so don't shoot me.
this time.
So, on the way to the mountains, I'm going to talk about something. I got to think about something, you know, you can't just not talk in a motovlog. It's kind of the whole point. So, I guess I'll just do the most basic motovlogger vlog in the whole entire world. What should I start on? Like, a starting bike. What should you start on? And a lot of people just get really angry with the question, because it's just like, it's just such an opinionative question. Like, literally, if you've been riding before, like if you ride dirt bikes all the time or stuff like that, then you need to, you know, probably get a little something bigger than just a 250 300, which is a typical starting bike. But if you haven't been riding before ever, like in your whole entire life, like I did, I got a 250. But here's the thing, I kind of regret it. Yes, it's really fun and it still gets me to A to B, but when we're out at group rides like this and I'm on a 250 and I got even a CBR 500 behind me, an FZ07 in front of me, and then a C1000, yeah, they're kind of like leaving me behind most of the time. And I got used to riding really quick. So maybe the best starting bike to ride on, I'd say go with the CBR 500R. I mean, there's a lot of newer bikes coming out that are meant for like that kind of lower class riding. And then that way, once you get to 500, you can learn on it and you won't really get in trouble as much as if you did if you got a 600. Plus, you don't get bored with the power too much. Don't ever do that, regardless of what bike you have. But yeah, I would honestly, I'd say cut out the 300, 250 bikes. Do not go get one of those. Yes, they're awesome to start on. I learned very quickly, and I also got bored very quickly. You need to get a SV650, a CBR 500R, because yes, it might be a little bit longer starting out to get used to everything, but you can have the bike for over like 6 months to a year and you're not going to get like bored with it. Unlike me, 4 weeks later, and I want to get freaking 600. That's my little 2 cents on the whole bike thing. And then again, it's up to you, whatever you want, you know. If you want a cruiser, then go for like a Harley. They make smaller engines for that. Just letting you know, they're a lot heavier than sport bikes are. So if one thing is weight and how much something weighs, then you probably need to go with a sport bike, or on the 650, SV650, or the CBR 500, something like that.
After serving the world for over 30 years, the Space Shuttle has come to a final stop.
We copy your world stop, and we'll take this opportunity to congratulate you, Atlantis,